In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort YouTube videos by oldest. This is really handy if you want to see where a creator started, follow their content from the very beginning, or just make sure you haven't missed any early uploads. First, open your web browser and go to the main YouTube website. You don't need any special link for this, just type in youtube.com and hit enter. Make sure you're on the regular homepage, where you can see the search bar at the top and recommended videos below. You can do this whether you're signed in or not, but being signed in can help if you want your viewing progress saved. Next, head over to the YouTube channel whose videos you want to sort. There are a couple of easy ways to do this. You can use the search bar at the top of the page, type the channel's name, and then click on the channel result. Or if you're already watching one of their videos, simply click on the channel name or profile picture under the video. That will take you straight to their channel homepage. Once you're on the channel page, look for the row of tabs near the top. You should see options like Home, Videos, Playlists, Community, and so on. Go ahead and click on the tab labeled Videos. This tab shows you all of the public uploads from that channel, usually starting with the most recent ones by default. Now that you're on the Videos tab, we're going to change the sort order. Near the top right of the video grid, you'll see a small drop-down or filter option that usually says something like latest or sort by. Click on that. A small menu will appear with a few choices such as latest, popular, and oldest. Select oldest from the list. As soon as you click oldest, the page will refresh and the videos will be rearranged. Instead of seeing the most recent content first, you'll now see the very first videos the creator ever uploaded right at the top. From here, you can click on any video to start watching, or just scroll down to explore how their style and content have evolved over time. That's all you need to do to sort YouTube videos by oldest. Follow these steps on any channel, and you'll be able to watch their journey from day one.